Hey, hello back from NAS Unboxing. We are here today to open this interesting small box that I have with me, which is QNAP's QWU-100 or the Q-Wake Up. So the QWU-100 is an interesting solution to wake up other devices, or better say many other devices remotely, by sending the wake up commands to save time and effort. And I'm going to open this box now and see what is there inside, and let's see. So before you open it, just make sure you have the seal here. So if it's not sealed, or if the seal is broken, please don't take it. So make sure you are the first one to break the seal when you buy this device. Okay, focusing on the device now, looking from the front view, we have these three little dots here as the status LED light and two other LAN LED lights. And switching to the rear view, we can tell that the QWU-100 supports USB 3.0 Type-C for faster data transfer, PoE interface for both data connection and power to devices. So it has the LAN ports, which is able to manage devices for two networks. So how does the QWU-100 operate? Well, it does wake up other devices through the so-called magic packet and can be done either from a phone or a computer. And the best part of it is that it is powered by QNAP Cloud, my QNAP Cloud, on which you can actually control it from anywhere. Another important feature is that I actually found it to be very useful is the scheduling function, as you can actually set repetitive modes, be daily, weekly or monthly, to get devices online, and can be managed from the phone as well through the Q Manager, an authentic app developed by QNAP for this particular device. So the advantages of the QWU-100 are that it is easy to install, get used to it, is flexible with the scheduling, is easy and quick management through the Q Manager, remote wake-up control through the My QNAP Cloud, and it supports cross-platform notifications. So this is NAS Unboxing with QWU-100, and if you want to know more about QNAP products, go to QNAP.com, and I will see you next time on NAS Unboxing. Thank you, bye.